another glueless wig install. This one is from Nadula Hair, y'all. My wig came packaged inside of this plastic bag right here. Look at this texture right here, y'all. Let's go ahead and remove this extra wig netting around the wig. Here is a close-up of the lace closure. It is the upgraded 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure, y'all. It does have a pre-plucked hairline with bleach knots on the closure, and it also already has pre-cut lace, so you don't have to do any of that yourself. Here is the inside of the cap construction. This is one of their by nuts unit. It has the 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure here. It has a ventilated cap, the silicone grip around the entire perimeter of the cap here, so it fits nice and snug to your head. There is one wig comb in the back here, and it also has these adjustable straps here if you would like to tighten the wig to your head further. Here, I'm going to show you exactly how I define the curls on this glueless wig. I love getting curly textured wigs, but you do definitely want to define the curls on this hair. I like to clump the curls together to get a really defined look on the bottom of my hair. You can just separate the curls with a brush, like a Denman brush or something like that, but the bottom of your hair isn't going to have these gorgeous little ringlets, which I like to have. So I'm going to show you exactly how I like to do that. I'm still getting over being sick, y'all. My voice isn't all the way together, but we're getting there. So this wig is one of Nadula Hair's by knot units. It has an upgraded 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots. The lace has already been pre-cut. It is pretty much ready to wear, y'all, and it fits around the head very nice and secure. As you can see, it is a completely glueless install, but it is very simple to install it. I didn't do any baby hairs with this wig. I know not everyone likes baby hairs like me, so I tried to keep that to a minimum, but I did want to show y'all how I define the curls on this wig and how easy it is to install glueless. So if you're interested in checking out how I installed this wig today and styled her, definitely keep watching. Let's go ahead and install this wig and see what we're working with. Already off the bat, it does feel nice and secure, y'all. So I can see the lace color on my head. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply some powder that's a little bit too dark. And we're just going to apply this on top of the lace, y'all, so it just melts in with my skin. The lace isn't as close as I would like it to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and just remove a little bit more of this extra lace in the front of the wig. I feel like it helps make the wig look more natural. Now that the excess lace has already been removed, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this parting, and then I'm gonna take this ebon wax stick and run it around the parting area right here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of my olive oil spritz around the parting as well. And then I'm gonna take my Infinity Pro hot comb and I'm gonna go around this parting area, y'all. It is cold outside. I typically do not like defining the curls on a wig unless like it's warm outside or I have a diffuser, but I currently don't. We're just gonna have to define these curls because they're not looking the way that I want them to look. I know I can get these curls popping, so we're going to like finger define the curls, but I'm going to have to wet down this hair a bit. I'm not gonna wet it down too much, but I need to wet it down enough enough to go ahead and define the curls on this wig, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take this mousse. This one is from Tresemme. It's the Flawless Curls Moisturizing Mousse, and I'm going to just apply it all over the hair, y'all. Go ahead and apply this all over the hair. So to go ahead and define each curl, y'all, I'm gonna take this brush here and we're gonna brush through this hair. And then I'm also gonna take this John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curl Spray and I'm gonna spray it in the hair as well. I like to focus this like on the ends of the hair mainly, but I spray it throughout. And then take your brush again and just make sure that those ends are nice and defined, y'all. Now what you can do with your ends if you feel like they're not looking as good as you would like them to look is you can just take your finger and just clump these curls on the end like that. That way, when the hair dries, it's gonna dry clumped and the curls are gonna be more defined on the ends. So now all the curls have been clumped on the bottom like that, y'all. It's a big difference from this. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then I'll be right back. I went ahead and I defined the curls, y'all, and I clumped the hair. So once it fully air dries, it's gonna look very beautiful. So once that's done, I'll be back. So I went ahead and I allowed the hair to pretty much fully air dry, y'all. This is what we're working with. It's a little crispy in some areas, but that is okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment and we're gonna break up like the crunchiness of the hair. I like the curls to have hold, but I don't want them to be crunchy like once I take them out. So what I'm gonna do now is just go and kind of break up the crunchiness of the curl by just squeezing the curl a bit. I'm gonna do the same on this side as well, y'all, okay? Then I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb and we're just gonna start making the hair bigger. And then I'm gonna start breaking up these curls. Nothing too crazy, but we're gonna break them up a bit. There you go, y'all. So the hair is nice and defined over here, as you can see. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. We're just gonna start breaking up these curls. And then I'm gonna take the wide tooth comb again, and we're going to comb some of these curls out to make the hair bigger. So here is the wig once the curls have been nicely defined. It looks super beautiful. If y'all enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Nadula Hair, I will leave a link in the description box down below for you guys. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? Go ahead and click the box right here so you can see exactly how I got this full glam beat right here. Nadula.